Hello fam, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Meli. The name of my channel is Meli Love Decor. Guys, we are back with another video today. Today we are going to be styling my entryway for the fall season. Fall is also one of my favorite season and favorite holiday to style my home. This fall season we are going to be styling in the color burnt orange in my formal and in my entryway. To all my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you for your love, for your support, for your beautiful comment. And if you are new here, welcome. I hope you like what you see. Please leave me a comment below, leave me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about the styling of the entryway today. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe because I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Please don't forget to put your notification bell on so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. We're gonna start decorating, guys. And if you have any questions, please leave them below. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm adding this beautiful Chanel book that I purchased from Amazon. It was actually on sale when I purchased it. I believe it was like 50% off, so I caught it when they had a good sale. This beautiful floral arrangement I've made off camera, guys. I try to do a lot of things off camera, like clean the area, wipe everything down, so that I can cut down on time, because believe me, it is not easy trying to decorate and also record at the same time. I purchased this beautiful pumpkin from Ross. I believe it was $12.99 or $13.99, something like that. I did color the stem a little bit to a brighter gold because I didn't like the champagne gold that it came in, so I did give it a little DIY, a little touch. I added my little touches to it because I'm extra like that. And this other Chanel book, I also picked it up from Amazon a few years back. This beautiful leaf, guys. Oh my god, guys, do not sleep on Aldi's. I love Aldi's. I picked up this beautiful leaf tray from Aldi's like yesterday, I think, and it was $8.99, guys. At Home Goods, this would have been an easy $15.99 or $19.99. And these beautiful pumpkins, like sugary pumpkins, it comes in like a bag that has like maybe 8 or 10 in there. Purchased it from Home Goods this season. I picked it up this year. And this AD book, I also picked it up from Amazon. I also caught it on a good sale when they had 50% off. This beautiful peacock, I think it's a peacock, I don't know. If it's not, you guys let me know. I picked up this lint on clearance at, I think it was TJ Maxx or Marshalls I picked it up from, and it was on clearance for like $15. I did change the lampshade. It came with a different lampshade. It came with a white lampshade, and I changed the lampshade to black. I've had this little gourd pumpkin, or whatever they call it. I think it's called a gourd. If it's bigger or taller, they call it a gourd, and if it's shorter, it's a pumpkin. So I did pick that up a few years back. I can't remember where. And this little acorn, it's a bowl filler. It comes in a set of 3. It came in the color orange, gray and gold, and white and gold. And I actually painted this part black, the bottom part. Now on this vase here, I just added some floral stems that I picked up from, I believe I picked those up either from Amazon, not Amazon, Home Goods or TJ Maxx. I believe I picked them up from one of those stores. It's 3 stems, and I think it was like $12.99 that I purchased them for. So I'm just adding them to that vase here on the entryway. And as I've always mentioned, guys, I'm styling my lantern differently. I don't necessarily add candles in there. So I'm adding this pumpkin again that I picked up from Home Goods, like the Mackenzie Child look-alike dupe for Ross price that I love. I think I paid $15.99 for that pumpkin, and I just added it to a riser. And I picked up those picks from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just adding them just to add a pop of color. to the whole color theme that I have going on in there, which is the burnt orange with the black and the gold. So as you can see, guys, I've always said my base color is black and gold. That's my neutral base, and then whatever the season is, I can just add and pop in whatever color that I choose to add as an accent color. This beautiful long tray, I picked it up 2 years ago, I believe, from Burlington, and I think Z Gallery has something similar. So that was my Z Gallery dupe that I picked up from Burlington. And I'm just adding these 2 little pumpkins that I picked up about 2 years ago from Walmart. And this beautiful velvet pumpkin pillow, I picked it up this year at Ross, and it was like $12.99.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. But I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say You say take me on a treasure hunt.